Direct replacement. This vapor canister purge valve fits and functions like original equipment to ensure proper function of your vehicle's evaporative emission system. Quality construction. Manufactured from premium materials for a long service life. Excellent value. Original equipment quality at a lower price. Quality tested. Has undergone testing to ensure proper fit and performance. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the Amazon garage. Engineered for a perfect fit and plug-and-play installation, this vapor canister purge valve is a direct replacement for the original equipment purge valve. It is critical to the evaporative emission system and fulfills government requirements. Top reviews from the United States. Definitely recommend. OEM quality. 100% satisfied. I was able to pass emissions on my '08 Suburban after changing the vapor canister. Super easy to install. It took me about 10 to 15 minutes.